Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Maths Made Easy with Pearl, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like, share, and also comment your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. So today we have a question that says, if 1 over 4 raised to the power of x equals 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 3, find x. So we have to find the value of x. So to do this, we can rewrite this as 4 raised to the power of minus 1. That is, the 1 over becomes the minus 1. That's the negative power law. So all raised to the power of x equals 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 3. Now we apply the power multiplication law here, where the powers multiply themselves. So we have 4 raised to the power of minus x, because minus 1 times x gives us minus x, equals 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 3. Now from here, this is an exponential equation, so we have to express 4 as a power of 2 so that the bases can be the same. So 4 as a power of 2 is 2 raised to the power of 2. So all raised to the power of minus x equals 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 3. So from here, we also apply the power multiplication law, that where 2 times minus x gives us 2 raised to the power of minus 2x equals 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 3. Now we can see that the bases are the same, so we can cancel the base. So we cancel the base and then we equate the powers. So we have minus 2x equals 3x minus 3. So now this is giving us a linear equation, so we can now solve this. So we collect like them, so we have minus 2x. Now we take 3x over to this side, so it becomes minus 3x, because it has a positive sign here, an invisible positive sign. So when it crosses the positive sign, it becomes minus, equals to minus 3 left here. So we have minus 2x minus 3x gives us minus 5x, which is equal to minus 3. Now since we're looking for x, we'll divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 5. Divide both sides by minus 5, so that minus 5 cancels minus 5, we're left with x equals minus cancel minus. So our answer is 3 over 5. So if you found this video helpful and useful, please do well to comment your thoughts in the comment section. Bye.
Friends show up, we laugh all night. New semester got the future in sight.